Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Fresh new start to the day. As you could tell, I'm already sitting in my car. I have already left home. So yeah, I have a earned day today. What normally would have been a gym day today. I said today was going to be a gym day. I spoke about that on the previous video, but plans have changed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is stay true to doing my workout. I'm just going to do it from home later this evening. So, of course, it won't be, the treadmill or the bike, but, I am going to do something, like I said, later on today. So, right now, I'm actually sitting at the laundromat. My clothes are already going in the dryer, so I'm going to be folding those soon. Other than that, I do need to make a stop at Walmart. I know I need to run into Hobby Lobby. Well, if I can find what I'm looking for at Walmart, then I won't have to worry about Hobby Lobby. But I do need to go, to the Dollar General store too. I do have family coming in town this weekend. I'm looking forward to seeing one of my brothers and his family will be here this weekend. As a matter of fact, they be here tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually his birthday. Unsure on what his plans are when he get here, or whatever it is that he want to do. I'm sure the rest of the family will be on board to make sure we make his birthday memorable. Hey y'all, I've been back in from the store for a while. Your girl had to catch her a nap. I was just tired and wore out. I didn't get much, so this is just a small haul just to show you guys what I did pick up. Now, far as the Dollar General store, I did have to stop in there. And so in there, I just basically picked up, the just necessities. Like I said, nothing major, because I was running out of my dishwashing liquid. Okay, so I had to make sure I had to restock on that. And actually, I normally would get more than just two, but I got two to tie me over because, again, I still got some. I just noticed it was running low. So I did pick up an extra thing of garbage bags as well. And, of course, an extra big pack of toilet paper. Like I said, just the bare essentials. Now, from Walmart, I was going in there for just a couple of things in specific. And so with them, they didn't have what I was looking for. But while I was in there, I went ahead and just picked up me some more oranges, navel oranges. And also just picked up some extra washcloths. Okay, so that was all I got at Walmart. But on my last trip heading home, I went into Hobby Lobby. Now, remember I said I was trying to find what I needed in Walmart that would have prevented me from going to Hobby Lobby. But since Walmart didn't have exactly what I was looking for in there, I had to go by Hobby Lobby. So when I went by there, I did pick up a few things that I was looking for. And there was some stuff to finish the sewing craft that I was working on. But let me share something with you guys. What I found in there, I was speechless. I was not even looking for such an item. But when I seen it, I had to get it. And they had it for, they have them for like 40% off. But I went ahead, guys, and purchased me a new comforter for my bed. Yeah, actually, with 40% off, this here was $59.99, and with 40% off, I think it cost me only like $36. So I just had to get it. I just had to absolutely get it. Now, let me show you another one because I was gonna stop at this one, but I actually found another one. But this one here, I got plans to do something else with. Now, this one too is a comforter, and this here is in a blush pink color. I hope, I don't know if it's coming off good to you guys on camera. And this one here was for $55, and with 40% off, I think this one cost me like 30% off, if I'm mistaken. Give and take a few dollars somewhere around in there. But like I said, I have plans for this one. So other than that, guys, that was pretty much all I picked up today. Okay, so I just came on back in and put something to eat in my stomach, and before you know it, Miss Pam had to go take her cat nap. So other than that, guys, I am gonna go in here and do a little stretching tonight for my exercises, and after that, just take me a shower and chill. So I'm going to end this vlog with some family time. As I spoke to you guys already, my brother and them be here, and as a matter of fact, they wasn't supposed to be here until tomorrow, which is actually his birthday, like I've already mentioned. But they came in already. They already here. So I'm gonna spend some time with them, and then I can catch up with you guys later. Okay, bye guys.